how to deposit or withdraw crypto on KuCoin mobile app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, PinBusiness, and today I'll guide you on how you can deposit or withdraw crypto from KuCoin mobile app. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you can open up your wallet and verify your account. Once you have done so, at the bottom right corner you should be able to find the option that says assets. You can simply tap on assets tab here. Now in my case I don't have any assets, but if you do have, you'll be able to see it. What you can do is, if you want to deposit, you can see the deposit crypto option, or if you want to buy it, you can see buy also. So you can simply tap on deposit crypto option and it'll give you an option to select the token. Simply search for it or scroll down and look into it, and you should be able to get your address here. You want to select the network that you would like to deposit through, and you should be able to get your wallet address, your Bitcoin wallet address. As you can see here, mine on the, you can share this address and you can deposit onto your account using this address. Similarly, if you wish to withdraw, if you have any assets, you'll be able to tap on it and you'll see the withdraw option, or you can tap on withdraw option directly from the more option here on the screen. So under assets you should be able to see withdraw option. You can tap on withdraw and then go ahead, and first you'll have to confirm this withdrawal option by linking there, completing the steps, and you'll be good to go through the prompts. All you have to do is tap on withdraw, and once you verify it, you won't get that pop-up anymore. Then you can go ahead and you should be able to get the option to enter in the address. You'll have to enter in the address, wallet address that you'd like to withdraw to, and you're good to go. This is how you can make deposit or withdrawal on KuCoin mobile app. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.